Destination is on your right.
Wants us to cut and
So
cap?
I guess the electricians weren't high enough with their pipe. It was a lot sturdier than it was the first time I was here.
All right.
How's it going?
Good. How you doing?
Good. Trying to make sure this puppy will fit. Gotta cut a little bit out of this out.
All right.
But I want to see how far over.
Are you already drilling the hole?
Let me get this off.
Let's mark it on the marble. Well, when you do, it's too far.
11.5, right up to that truss.
Okay, well, mark it on the.
Right to the edge of this truss, it's 11.5. That's the center. Right there, that's the center. Right there.
How does this one work? I think it's hot up here compared to downstairs.